Okay, so this is designed to give you an audio-visual view of how you use BB Flashback Express to create your presentations. So as you can see, I have my blank screen in front of me. Well, it's not blank screen, I have my desktop screen in front of me, but I'm going to load up the presentation. So this is imagining that you already have your PowerPoint slides done. So I'm going to use leadership as my leadership slides as an exemplar of this. So I'm going to move from desktop to find the file into PowerPoint presentations, into leadership. I'm going to hopefully you can see the control panel at the bottom, which tells you it's recording, and so I'm not going to bother with the pictures at the front. We'll start with the aims. I'm going to start the presentation, start the slideshow, and this is where you'd be in go mode, as it were, in terms of your recording. So hopefully, I'm in recording mode now. Hopefully by the end of the session you should be able to define leadership, to describe and critically discuss a range of theories of leadership in relation to sport and exercise, and to critically discuss leadership development in relation to sport and exercise. Now, a couple of things here really. One is that I'm sure when you're reading this you can see that my face blocks out some of the slide in the top, as I'm facing it, the top left hand side. Now what you will need to do is just play around with that and locate. The reason I've done that, it's doing that, is because this presentation wasn't designed to be presented with the audio, the visual sort of feedback. So you might need to experiment, just drop in the dialogue on your PowerPoint slides down a little bit so that your face and your image doesn't interfere with what's being presented. But in essence, that's it. You carry on, you do your presentation. In fact, one of the great things about the toolbar at the bottom is that there's a timer on there, so I can see I'm 2 minutes 20 into the presentation. So I'm going to stop now. One other thing to remember, there is a pause button on there as well. So again, you might want to experiment with that pause button. As I said in the written instruction, this is not about you being perfect. This is not about you getting some eloquent, polished, TV style presentation. It is about you being able to show that you've thought deeply about a particular issue and that you're able to present that material in a succinct and effective way. Don't worry about getting it perfect, but hopefully this has given you a very short practical insight into the mechanics of it.